Hey, what's up? This is KA's for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to working movie title, cinematic title, how to make a 3D animated title. Let's start. First, create a new composition and name title. The time must be 5 seconds and the quality is HD. Press OK and then fit your screen auto and then press Ctrl Y for name it element 3D. Press enter and create a new title. Before title, turn on title action save area and click here movie title. Press Ctrl Alt plus Home for moving your anchor point to center of your layer. Press Ctrl Alt Home and then move your title to center and press S for scale of your title. So if you want to create your title, turn on the caps lock for the capitalize movie title. Yeah, Ctrl Alt Home, turn off your caps lock and down the scale size. Okay, select your element 3D and go to effects, video copilot, element, then go to effect, control, element 3D and go to custom layers, custom text and mask, path layer 1, create a movie title and go to scene setup and press extrude. Then go back to presets and go to Bevel's physical. This is your title presets. And now you can edit your 3D model. Go to scene and select the bevel tool and extrude down and select the bevel tree, extrude down like this and shiny light. Then go to materials, physical and drop the physical material on bevel 1 and there is bevel 2. And now go to environment, click here and select the basic 2K. Press OK. Then press OK. Turn off the movie title and now create a new camera 24mm and press OK. So create a new light, point light, press OK. There is your light for making more shinies. And go to effects and presets, right here CC light sweep. Why the computer is going to too much busy. CC light sweep. Double click on your element 3D layer. So the thickness 4, intensity 50, 25, 50, linear and then composite. Okay, that's good. Then go to project and double click here. There is the preset of real clouds footage. Select one of these 14 and drop in your main comp and right click, transform fit to comp. And now select your footage and type here contrast. Okay, brightness contrast. Double click on your footage and there is about contrast down like this. Okay, HUE, double click and down the master saturation down, and the lightness a little bit like this. Okay, create a new solid for light, press enter and go to effects. There is a stylize, no light factory, and go to choose a flare. There is a lot of flare presets. Select one of these. Which one is good? This one is good. Double click and there is about mode, change to add. Yep. Okay, now make the title animation. Go to effect control, there is 3D and go to group 1 and particle look, multi-object turn on, and there is about rotate your title like this, and then go to light, select the plugin, then right click, select the camera and select the dolly towards, zoom in. You can turn on the light 3D switch. Zoom in and move the camera down, zoom in more. Good. And now go to camera, open the settings, transform, point of interest and position. Then go to 3 seconds. Before 3 seconds there is about light, turn on stopwatch and then go to 3 seconds. Okay, before go to 3 seconds, element 3D, there is about multi-object position, rotation, everything is here. Go again 3 seconds and now select your camera, dolly, zoom out like this. Okay, move the camera right and select the element 3D, change this to 0 and then select the light, press V for move your light like this. And now Control A for all layers, select all layers, then press U, select the keyframes and right click, change to Easy Ease, select another keyframes, Easy Ease, Easy Ease, then select again all your layers, turn on the motion blur and go to element 3D settings. There is about render setting and there is motion blur, turn on the motion blur. And now render your movie. Okay, there is result of projects, some little bit problem about the light color. You can change the light color, which one is really good, this one or this one. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you in next tutorial.